Hey there guys, my name is Christy and I would like to tell you about a phenomenal guy named Saad Ali and his free training classes at Forex for Beginners Academy. I got into Forex in 2018 and had a very hard time understanding, learning, and reading the charts. But when I found and joined Forex for Beginners Academy, it made everything totally easy and understandable. The training has helped me so much during my journey. I've learned how to make and set proper trend lines and channels, support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, read moving averages, and market structure. Forex for Beginners Academy not only teaches us candlestick analysis, but also technical analysis. We learn to open an account on TradingView where we read and analyze the charts. We even post our charts on a private student group on Facebook where Saad gives us feedback on the charts that we posted and teaches us how to improve on our techniques. I recommend Forex for Beginners Academy to anyone looking to learn to trade Forex. This course is absolutely free, and the atmosphere is always welcoming and friendly. Thank you, Saad Ali and the Forex Beginners family, for teaching me on how to be a Forex trader.